Hey gardeners, Florida Garden Gal here, and today I'm going to share 5 flowers to plant in May in your garden here in the Sunshine State. If you've been waiting for the perfect time to add color and soul to your garden, this is it. Let's start with the classic zinnias. These sun-loving, heat-tolerant, easy-to-grow flowers come in every color you can imagine. They're easy to grow from seed, love the full sun, and the more you cut them, the more they come back. They're great for a cut flower garden, and you can also tuck them into your vegetable garden for a pop of color there. Next up, we have Pentas, a Florida must. If you're trying to attract hummingbirds and butterflies, you can put them in your butterfly garden, containers, into your landscape, into your vegetable garden, wherever you would like a pop of color. They can handle the summer like champs and bloom non-stop. Now, if you're dreaming of a tropical vibe, you might want to go with hibiscus. Hibiscus also come in a multitude of colors, and they can come back in zone 9 if you protect them in the winter. Actually, what's behind me is my hibiscus, and I am starting to get some blooms on them. Sunflowers. Few things say cheerful Florida like sunflowers. They're easy to grow, great for beginners, and kids love them. They attract bees, so if you have a bee allergy, you might not want to plant them. But they're also great for reconditioning your soil. If you've had something bad happen to your soil, sunflowers will actually clean up the soil. They planted fields of them in Chernobyl after the nuclear explosion there. Sunflowers like to reach for the sky, and they just bring happiness and sunshine. Last but not least is Vincas, also known as periwinkles. When the heat turns up and the rain gets scarce, Vinca keeps going strong. It's drought tolerant, pest resistant, and blooms like it means business. Perfect for driveways, patios, or any hot spots in your garden. They will reseed and possibly show up in places you didn't plant them, and mine have come back year after year. So they're a great Florida plant and come in a variety of colors. So those are the 5 flowers to plant in May. They'll bring more than just beauty. They'll bring butterflies, pollinators, and joy to your garden. Florida isn't always easy to grow things, but if you plant the right plant at the right time, you can have beautiful blooms. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share with a fellow Florida gardener. And in the comments, let us know what you're planting in May. So until next time, keep planting, keep dreaming, and keep growing from seed to soul.